Hey, it's a nice warm 88 degrees here in Kentucky today, a little bit humid too. We got a project going on here today. We're building fence. Nice day to be out working in the sun. Ha! Anyway, we've got some wire stretched up here and we're to the point of needing to staple the wire to the post, which is a big job if you've ever done it before. There's a lot of hammering involved. But we've got something here today to make the job a little bit easier. This is actually this tool's first day on the job. It's a Dewalt battery powered fence stapler. Dewalt DCSF950. 20 volt battery, 5 amp hour. I think it says in the directions that it'll drive up to 200 staples on a charge. I'd say, based on what little bit we've ran it so far, I'd say it would do at least that. But the staples it will drive, it'll drive from 1.5 inch to 2 inch staples. We've always used 1 3/4 staples. Here's what they look like. They're collated together and they have barbs on them so they won't pull back out of the post easily. Pretty easy to load. Just pull this back. 15 staples in a group. Load them in there, release it, click the safety off, and you're ready to go. Now it has 3 settings for depth, 1, 2, and 3, 3 being the greatest. We like our staples drove fairly tight, so we'll have it set on 3. And a little switch here allows you to switch from one staple to multiple staples. And basically what it is, when you push the stapler against the post, it has a motor that starts up and pumps up pressure, and when you squeeze the trigger, it releases the staple. So I'm going to set it on the multiple setting. When you have it set on that, it keeps pumping. So here we go. I'll show you a little bit about what it'll do here. Works pretty nice. It's a whole lot easier than doing it by hand. Out of staples. Should have put a few more in my pocket with me. Anyway, as you can see, that is a whole lot easier than doing it by hand. Let's put a few more in here. Out again. Anyway, I have to walk back to the gator and get a few more. Anyway, there you have it. That's what it looks like. That's what it runs like. So, you know, how long it'll hold up, I don't know. I assume, being DeWalt, it ought to hold up pretty good. But anyway, if you've ever wondered about such a thing, I just learned these things even existed here a month or 2 ago, but so far I'm pleased with it. Stay safe.